Okay. Now then, we can, once again, just put a reflection here and there. There. Little touch of our liquid white on the knife. Come right in there like that. And put us a little, just a happy little waterline right in there. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Something about like so. There. Now then, let's do the same thing over here. Put some grassy areas. That's working so well. I like it. That's fun. That is fun. Where do we want this one? Right there. We'll just tap in all kinds of little dooders. There. See there? And you just decide where the reflection is. Just divide it up with a reflection. That's all there is to it. Put a little color in. I'm going to grab the 2-inch brush just because it's a little faster. You really could do just about this entire painting with nothing but this small brush. All right. A little paint thinner. Then I want to go through the greens again, just so we can highlight. And we'll put in just a few little doodles like that. Not many, not too many. Don't kill all your dark area. There we are. Now, I know. Let me find the old fan brush.